Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Nep with a brand new video. If you guys are new here, please make sure to like and share and subscribe the channel. Your one like, one share and one subscribe is really motivating for myself to create more content regarding the cleaning field. So make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. So without further more delay, let's go to the next chapter. So here we are again with chapter number 6. So let's go to the topic. So today's topic is dust control mopping. What are the safety measures, why we need to do dust control mopping, and what are the procedures that we are going to learn about. We are going to learn from this video. So first of all, we have to know the purpose of the work, purpose of the dust control mopping, why we are doing it. Okay, so first point is to remove all the dust, dirt and litters from the surfaces. And the second point is to leave surface clean and tidy. All right, so the third point is to maintain quality and the standard of the level. Okay, whatever work we are doing, there is a certain standard level we have to maintain it. All right, and to do this job, what are the materials and tools that we required? Okay, so these are the materials and the tools that we required to complete this job. You can see here, these are our materials that we required for this job. All right. After this, what are the procedures that we need to follow? I'm going to show you here point by point, so you can easily understand and easily read also in both languages, English and Nepali. So the first point is to proceed to the storeroom, switch on the light, check the ventilation, pest inspection, maintenance faulty, and if any maintenance faulty, if any damages are available, we have to report to your supervisor immediately basis. All right, and the second point is once you inspect your storeroom, then you need to wash your hand with the soap properly, and once you wash your hand, make it dry properly, check any wounds, any cuts are any wounds are there. If there is any wounds or any cuts, so you need to inform to your supervisor and you can take required first aid treatment for yourself. Okay, so once you have completed this, then you need to wear your PPE, all the PPEs, gloves, mask, eye glass, PPE is required for you for the job. All right. So once you wear your PPEs and everything, and you need to collect your materials. What are the materials that you need? What are the chemicals, if required chemicals as well, you need to collect, and you need to proceed to your workplace area. Once you reach to your workplace, then you need to place your signboard. Okay, before starting your work, any kind of work, you need to place signboard for the safety reason. Okay, so you have to understand and you have to know these things first. Okay, once you place your signboard, then you need to inspect the areas. If there are any damages, if there are any faulties, you need to give your proper details, complete details to your supervisor. Okay, so he can assist you for further more steps. Okay, so once you complete these things, then you have to collect all the visible dust, litters, debris from the floor. Okay, the visible big litters you have to collect by using dustpan set, lobby dustpan set. Okay, so once you completed collecting all your visible big litters, then you have to use your dust control mop, starting from corner to between. Okay, always remember, starting from corner first, then you have to come in the middle area. Okay, you have to do it with the 8 or S shape only. Okay, so once you do this, then you have to start your next process. What you have to do? Okay, once you completed your dust control mopping, then the waste will come out. So you have to place that garbage inside your bin liner. Okay, once the garbage bin liner is 70% full, then you have to discard the you have to make it tie and you have to discard it. Okay, once your jobs are completed, then you have to double check the area. If there are any missing areas, then you have to inform to your supervisor immediately. All right. Once the area is dry, clean, tidy, then you have to remove your signages and you need to collect all your equipment and proceed to your storeroom. Okay, so once you reach to your store, what are the steps that you need to do? Okay, first you need to check all the equipments. You have to do care of your equipments. Okay, discard your all collected waste on appropriate garbage bin only. Suppose if you have collected general waste, you need to discard it on general waste bin. If you have collected hygienic waste, you have to discard on hygienic bin only. Okay, so after that you need to check all your equipments and tool after your use. Every time whenever you use any equipment, any materials, you need to double check it. Okay, once you double check, then you have to start cleaning of your equipment. You need to clean it properly and you need to store it properly in your storeroom for the next use, for the future use. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to follow when you are doing dust control mopping. Okay, additional information you can see there on the screen, you can read it. Okay, so these health and safety rules to be followed all the time, anytime, whatever job you are doing, you need to follow the safety measures all the time for your own safety. Okay, so here we are at the end of the session for today. From the chapter 6, I hope you guys have learned some good information regarding dust controlling, how you have to do, what are the procedures and what are the safety measures you have to follow it. I hope that this really helps you to grow your skills regarding SOPs of dust controlling. Okay, so if you guys have missed my previous chapters, you can go to my description of this video. There is a link, you can go and check it out all my previous chapter as well. Okay,